Every developer, no matter how experienced, hits this moment. That flashing red text, that taunting message, syntax error, invalid syntax. And suddenly your brain freezes. Your code looks fine, but it won't run. You start questioning everything you know about programming. Relax today. I'll show you exactly what a syntax error really means, why it happens, and how to fix it in under 47 seconds every single time. A syntax error isn't your code failing. It's your computer saying, I don't understand the language you're speaking. Think of it like grammar in English. You can have the right words, but if you forget punctuation or structure, it stops making sense. Python, JavaScript, Java, every language has its own grammar rules. Break them, and your program won't even start. In programming, syntax means the structure, the way your code has to be written so your compiler or interpreter can read it. So, a syntax error simply means your code doesn't follow the grammar. For example, print, hello world. Looks fine at first glance, right? But it's missing a quote, and Python throws a syntax error before it even runs. Here's the crazy part. Most syntax errors aren't logic mistakes. They're visual blind spots. Your brain literally fills in the missing parenthesis or quote because it expects it to be there. That's called pattern completion bias, and it tricks even senior developers. So how do you fix syntax errors fast? Use this 3-step method. Step 1, visual pattern scan. Don't read the code, you can scan vertically. Look for missing brackets, mismatched quotes, or inconsistent indentation. Step 2, bracket and quote check. Count each opening and closing bracket or parenthesis. If your editor highlights pairs, use that. Step 3, indentation and structure review. Especially in Python, one wrong indent can break everything. Compare code blocks visually. That's it. This 47-second system works across every major programming language. Now, here are the most common syntax mistakes. Number 1, missing parentheses. Result equals add open parenthesis, a comma B close parenthesis, just add the missing parenthesis. Number 2, unclosed strings const message equals welcome. Close the quote or escape it. Number 3, indentation errors in Python. Use 4 spaces, not tabs, and make sure each block aligns. Number 4, semicolon mistakes in JavaScript. Always add a semicolon before a new line that starts with brackets or parentheses, and here's how to prevent 90% of syntax errors before they happen. Set up your editor properly. Turn on auto-closing brackets and quotes. Use 4-space indentation. Install a linter like Pylint, Flake 8, Black, or slint. These tools highlight syntax problems instantly, before you even hit run. Remember this. Syntax errors don't make you a bad developer. They prove you're actually building something every great programmer hits dozens of them a day. What matters isn't avoiding errors, it's fixing them fast. So the next time you see that red syntax error, don't panic, smile. You just found your next 47-second challenge.